Hello and welcome to a Trailblazers pack opening. Today we're going to be ripping open some packs in hopes of finding some of the Trailblazers. We got Mbappe, we got Bellingham, we got... I don't even know who else we got. A bunch of other players, worth a shit ton of coins. Let's open some packs and hope we can get something good. Boom. Right, I'm going to start with the 50s and we'll work our way up, okay? We're going to go 50s and then work our way up. We're going to have to re-up points 100%, but let's go. First one, 50k packs. Actually, let's start with a 10k pack. 10k pack to set us off. What is going on? Oh, it's all lone players. Take Dybala. Sounded like an icon, it wasn't. We'll take Solskjaer, or however you say his name, because I've been watching the David Beckham documentary and he's a pretty good feature in it. Let's go to the big boys. Let's get a 50k pack cracked open. Come on, let's get one of these cards straight away. Start us off nice. Ole is a legend indeed. Alright, that is a bad start. That is a bad start. It's okay. 83. We just have to get the bad packs out of the way before we get to the serious stuff. 2.1 mil in the club. German. Cam. Bayern Munich. Is it Muller? Oh. Oh, okay. Cheeky double walkout. Not bad. I've been getting a lot of double walkouts. I can't lie. I got double walkout last night when I was recording a pack opening. Mbappe is 9 mil. Yeah, I'm going to need him still. Yeah, no thank you. No thank you, Elmo. You pack that Mbappe, you're set for the rest of FIFA. Any player you want, you got him. Germany. Centre back. Rudiger, please. No. Skipping that. We're skipping that. We don't even want to see it. Last 50k pack. Come on, nice us, please. Nice us. Oh, God. Oh, God. Sommer. We got another pack to go now. What we got? What are we on to now? 85k pack. 1,000 FIFA points. 10 attackers, 10 midfielders, 10 defenders. All rare. One of 2 Trailblazers. Lone pick. And all untradeable. Let's send it. Come on. What's that naughty? Portuguese striker. We just packed Ronaldo! And then a Militao! What a pack! Obviously, Ronaldo is kind of mid, but we just got Ronaldo. Hey! That's a W. We got an untradeable Militao as well, who I can use in my team now. Because I have him in my team, and I've got his tradable one. What a good pack, bro. It's time to open the 2 100k packs. Please, let's get something decent. I want to see a red flare. I want a Trailblazer. Is that an inform? That is an inform. Oh, shit. Savage. That's a really good inform. 87. That's a good card as well. All right. Last 100k pack. Come on. Let's get a banger. Oh, I think we got one. Did we get one? Hold on. What? We got one. Di Lorenzo! I was like, I was so confused. We're going to save the 175 until last, okay? We're going to open all of these first. 25k packs. We've got 15 of them. Ay, ay, ay. For 7 months, broski. Sommer again. Skip. England. Goalkeeper. Arsenal. It's Ramsdale. Cam's delayed. I don't think it is. I have 2.3 mil right now. French centre mid. Aston Villa. Dali. Ah, they don't mind giving out goalkeeper's nip, bro. They're all over it. Wijnaldum. You spent about 2.3 mil on the game. Brother, the fact you think I have 2.3 mil to spend on the game, first of all, is outrageous. I haven't even got 0.3 to spend on the game, let alone the 2. I gotta do the ones that aren't as good first, and then we get to that one last. Was that 88? No, it wasn't. It was 83. It looked like it was 88 though. Wait, actually, how does that work? There's an informed Bellingham out and the thingy. Courtois? No. Lewandowski? I'm gonna start pogging now because I know the delay for the juicer pack. So they're low-key mid. Thiago. I just want an Mbappe. If I get an Mbappe, A, I get 9 million coins. B, I get a viral TikTok. C, I have a great thumbnail. I'm pulling something juiced. Wait, pause. Bro, what? Argentina. I want to pack Messi, bro. Apparently Messi's really good this year. That's my bestie. They playing soccer in my backyard. I think I see Messi. Megan, thank you for the 15 months. I appreciate you. I might just make a team, call it GOAT FC, and put Messi in it, put Ronaldo in it. Just bare like old school icons as well, like Henry maybe, if I had enough coins. Robertson. When Messi and Ronaldo turn into icons, bro, FIFA's over. Why did man say Royce and then immediately I pack Royce? Mbappe, 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 Mbappe. Wait, did someone say Mbappe? No. Didn't work. Mark Noble gets his icon card. That will be... I'll buy a FIFA just for that. Barcelona, please. Oh. Bro, how am I not getting no one? No, I just want to see a different colored flare. Messi, please. Oh, I just want Messi, man. Oh, Jesus Christ, that guy's got a forehead. Left wing? No. Man looked like a roach. Thiago Silva. Oh. Newcastle. Ah. Oh, not even a special card. Tony Kroos. Yeah. Nice, man. It was a double and I skipped it. Oh, Bernardo Silva as well. I skipped a double. This is the big pack, bro. Mbappe, 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 Mbappe. The controller listens to you, bro. Boom. Oh. I've got Ronaldo again. I got duplicate untradeable Ronaldo. Oh, shit, bro. Not even a double walkout. Oh, my God, bro. That is awful. That is so bad. They didn't even drop 15k packs. Normally they drop unlimited 15k packs for promos. Right, cool. We got 2 guaranteed Team of the Week packs to open. A Bellingham would be nice. I'd take a Son. I'd take a Salah. A big person like that. Let's see what we get in the first one. Come on. Something decent. Nigerian striker. I think I know what this is. I think I packed him before. I mean, the guy's rapid, but it's not exactly what I'm looking for. French striker. Oh. Player. To be honest, yeah, that's not the player I wanted. It's all about music selection when you're playing FIFA, though. Once again, another week of Div Rivals where my rewards get me absolutely nothing. Lovely. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Please leave a comment below. Let me know any other types of videos you'd like to see on the channel, whether it's FIFA or something else, and we'll try to get those done for you. Appreciate you guys watching. In a bit. Not talk too tough. Most days I don't really even do stuff. Most nights, yeah, I stay awake too much. 2-pack channel when I wear Cuba. 1 point had a man turn Buddha. Had to try a new angle, Bermuda. And if it ain't first place, I'm a loser.